So again, just looking at the poll, we see that creating custom packages and quotes, confirming bookings with suppliers, managing suppliers and contracts, those are, I guess, the top three. And we're going to get into talking about those and what technology can do to help take you from stress to success. So the first question, how do we deal with all of the products and services that you offer as a multi-day operator? These itineraries have multiple days that you're dealing with meals, tours, activities, accommodations, transfers, and so on. And it's a lot to manage, and it causes a lot of grief for the operators. Companies ask me all the time, isn't it a lot of work to load all of the products and services, contracts, rates, availability into a system? And the answer is absolutely yes. There's no getting around it. There are some things, and we're going to talk about those that can make it easier, but it just depends on the nature of the type of trips that you're doing and the suppliers you're working with. But in the end, it's more work to manage this manually and far more costly due to errors. You're wasting time, money, and energy if you are moving around multiple systems, multiple spreadsheets. This is not an efficient way to run the business. So while in the short term there is pain, there truly is long-term gain to implementing a system and a database of all of your products, packages, and so on. When looking at tech, one of the things you want to do is look for a system that you can easily set up and manage all of your products and services. So building out those products and services has to be quick and easy. There's no doubt about that. In my experience, small and mid-size operators most often need all of the same features and capabilities as the larger operators. They just need it with greater flexibility. So a database of products and services is going to be key to your success. And depending on your size and your suppliers, you might want to look for software that allows you to build any travel product or service quickly and efficiently. And that has to be both for packages and or custom trips, again, depending on what you're doing, which may be both. If you're doing packages, are you doing fixed packages, dynamic packages? The one thing about dynamic packages is you can offer those with upgrades for different room types or even different properties, options on activities and transfers. This allows your guests to custom tailor their experience without you always having to get involved, saving you time and money. And then look for software that has things like import sheets for pricing, making your job easier. Supplier portals, allowing the supplier to update your system with the pricing and availability. Now, this is generally geared towards smaller suppliers. Larger companies typically won't work this way.